biking in Seoul Forest. It is hot because of the biking, but it's nice that I'm out here now because I was struggling getting this bike through the app because it didn't want to work when I used data, only when I used Wi-Fi, so I was struggling. But now I'm here, last day in Seoul, unfortunately. It's been difficult to find my way. Trying to reach the sunset over the Han River, but I don't know if I can make it because I can't find the way. Today I was in Hongdae for a long time, did my nails. Oh, there's a Doriban, like the Stone Man and Juju. This is so cool. It's like a little bit scary. Woohoo! I'm eating this bulgogi with noodles from the Myeongdong night market. It's like 11:30 or something. Did my nails today at Hongdae and I love it. Unfortunately, I'm going home tomorrow. I was thinking that we might as well just have a little mukbang here at the hostel room. I'm staying, by the way, at Oyo 2 Hostel Myeongdong or something. You can hear everything from like the outside here, so it's very not soundproof. By the way, this was so good. Everyone says, which it is as well, that Myeongdong is like the tourist area. The street food in the Myeongdong central area is definitely overpriced. This was 7,000, which is not bad at all with this big portion. It's a very good last meal. Also, I feel like this food stall wasn't as touristy. The good side is that very central. They have most of the stores you need. I did a lot of shopping today, so it was very convenient to have all of the stores that I needed so close. Albyong, I was there for the last hour. We just went to Daiso. Each floor is one theme. So like, for example, stationery, which is where I bought most of my stuff. One thing about Korea, South Korea, that really fascinates me or is just so nice, I feel like it's the land of convenience because they just make everything so convenient for you. They think about all the small little details. It's so efficient. Like even at the airport, there's like a counter for repacking because they know that people will start to repack. So why not make an area for where people can do that without being like in the way for others. Also just like the cup holders at the stores or your umbrella. Yeah, it's just very convenient. This was so good. I've had such a good time here. The food is so amazing. I had jjajangmyeon today earlier. It was so delicious. Like, it's the best one that I've had, but it's also the only one that I've had in South Korea. The food at the convenience stores are so good. I love the iced coffee with banana milk in the ice cups. So good. Also today, I was in rush hour with the subway or underground, and it was crowded. Luckily, I only had like 1 or 2 stops, but that was crazy. I need to finish this and then back. I had to buy an extra luggage. Crossing my fingers that everything goes in. It has to go. Good time here in South Korea, in Seoul, in Busan, and Jeju. I really love it here. It's been so many different new things to see, new culture to explore. It's been very nice and fun. I'll definitely come back. Thank you for watching the vlog. I have no idea how I'm gonna make these or edit these vlogs. Stay tuned for upcoming travel vlogs or videos. But yes, yeah, I have so much to do and I don't have time or energy.